Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Pad 3 and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So let's start with open your contact list. Then let's find and select the contact which you'd like to customize and tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. Then let's simply tap on the circle or add picture, and here we've been transferred to different sections from which we can choose the photo from. So we've got our own gallery, or we can open the camera immediately after tapping on this option, so we can take a photo of someone who's right in front of us. Google Photos, which contains basically your backed up photos. Monogram, which means that you can use the first letter of someone's name or surname and use it as the photo. You can change the background colors, you can change the font, so it's up to you. And the illustrations, which are free of charge and they are available online, so you can you can use it instead of the photo. So let me choose maybe this one. Oh no, here you are. Okay. So here we've got also presets. We can change the colors, and basically if you will choose the camera or the gallery, you will be able to zoom in or out the photo. You can change the position of it. You can also change the size of this highlighted circle, and thanks to this you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because this area is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to, and then tap on choose and tap on save. And as you can see, this is how our contact will look like. Of course, you will be able to see this photo also on the contact list. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.